Hi everybody, and welcome to my third tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning the input function. Let's get started. So what does the input function do? The input function asks the user questions. So let's ask our first question. So first, type in input, parentheses, quotes. Then inside the quotes, you type in your question. For example, what is your name? And run the code. And you see it will display your question, and it'll give you the option to type in. So after the question, we'll answer the question, and then press on the enter key. And for now, nothing will happen. So now let's code it that it will do something once you respond. So let's put this input inside a variable, and we'll name the variable name. And then now we'll print hello plus name, and then run the code. So I respond with my name, hit the enter key, and then it will display hello Benjamin. If I try typing in any other names, so it will display hello that name. So how does it work? It displays hello, and then it displays the name variable. And inside the name variable, there's this input. So it displays hello plus the text I added inside the name variable. So now erase this print function and create another variable and name it age. And then inside the age variable, we'll create a question that will ask, how old are you? So input, and then how old are you? With a question mark. Okay, so now print hello plus name plus you are plus age plus years old. Okay, so don't forget to add the spaces. So now run the code, and it will ask you for your name. Then it will ask you for your age. Then it will display, hello Benjamin, you are 12 years old. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.